guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Holly Wolf here, and you're watching Wolf of the Wild. So today I wanted to show you some of the bulbs that I'm actually going to be planting for spring. This year is the first time I'm really kind of trying to go hard on spring bulbs. So I started last year, and with the new two puppies, I realized very quickly that they are obsessed with tulip leaves and tulips. So I planted a lot of gorgeous tulips like these guys, and they destroyed them all. It was so annoying. The puppies went super hard and just kept trying to eat the bulbs. So I learned a very valuable lesson last year to not plant anything super low to the ground if it's in the yard for the puppies. So what I'm doing is I'm concentrating all my tulips outside of my fence on my front garden, which I don't actually show off a lot. It's still a huge work in progress. And then I'm also gonna do like daffodils and hyacinth and these guys, what are they called? Christophe. They're amazing. They're big, cute things. I'm gonna plant them inside my garden, and the goal is to have just the most beautiful amount of tulips and flowers and just spring bulbs popping up, because this place is definitely a little bare. I'm trying to get more evergreens in my yard, but I'm also just trying to make sure I stay on top of spring bulbs and stuff like that, because obviously, like, I have this big brown fence around my entire property, and in the fall and in the spring, it's a lot of brown. So I'm trying my best. So I just wanted to kind of go over some of the things that I got and show you guys. Hopefully it will make my spring garden look gorgeous. So of course I got some pretty daffodils, right? I call them daffodils. These are daffodils, right? Cupped Narcissi. These are daffodils. I'm pretty sure they're daffodils. So I got a bunch of these. These guys are super pretty. We have just your plain yellow and your yellow and orange. So, yo, these are huge bulbs. Oh my God. Wow. So I got 20 of those. Okay. Yeah. Then I have a bunch of different tulips. These guys are like tulips and daffodil mixes, so 16, and ooh, these are Heart's Desire tulips, so big guys here, so 16, 14, lots of those. These Christophes are gorgeous. We got 10 of those in here. Oh my God, there's so many cool ones. I just got these all at Lowe's. A few at my local places when they were having discounts. I bought a lot, as you can see. So Lovebird Tulips, Florist's Finest Tulips. Like, look at these. Look at the different shapes and the different like colors. They look absolutely gorgeous. These guys, oh my God, I'm so excited for. Yes, I am. I'm excited for these ones. They look stunning. And some hyacinth. So these guys here, we have purple and pink. The bags are broken, so they're in there. Hyacinth. And 4, 8, 12, so 16 hyacinth bulbs. And then, as you can see, in this little thing, I have more tulips. So I actually have like yellow, red, and white. And I just threw a bunch of tulips in here, and I've been mixing them. So I have 2 big beds outside that I was growing veggies in very successfully. During the summer, I'm gonna do tulips in them. So a big variety, a big mix of tulips. Pretty sure I took some photos, so I'll insert them here of what I've already kind of done. And so now these mostly are going to be in pots. I have a few more beds in which I'm going to put them in. And then as soon as my vegetables are ready to go, I'm going to dig all these out and then store them for the next year. So I've been doing a lot of research and reading, and the best thing is to dig them up every single year. As soon as the flowers start to look sad, you cut the flowers off so the energy goes back to the bulb, and then as soon as the whole plant dies, you dig everything up. So I'm gonna try to work extra hard next year to dig everything up, to store it, to label it properly so that I can possibly reuse these. Because if you keep them in the ground, what happens is the bulb starts to like reproduce and split, and then you get smaller flowers every year and like less of them, which is totally fine too. But for me, I want big, beautiful yields. And secondly, I have lots of squirrels here and they just adore digging up all my bulbs. So I definitely learned between the dogs last year and the squirrels that I need to dig them up. So I need to take the extra time to dig them up and everything like that. So yeah, that's kind of like a mixture of everything that I'm kind of putting in to hopefully produce a lot of color. I kid you not, I spent probably like a solid $250 on spring bulbs. But for me, it's gonna be worth it because as you guys know, I do a lot of photo shoots here at home. The more beautiful and plentiful my garden looks, the more I can do. It saves me from renting studios to shoot my content. So it's 100% worth it. And I'm having a lot of fun learning. And it'd be really, really cool if, like I said, I'm successful and I can reuse these bulbs. So I'll do a video next spring, an update, and I'll show you everything as soon as it starts to flower and produce. And hopefully it'll be absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, that's basically it. I just wanted to show you my bulb collection. I hope you're having the most wonderful day. And like I said, in my previous video, I just want to mention it again, my calendar, my 2022 garden not safe for work calendar is live over on hollywolf.ca. There's Nala. I gotta go get Nala. Yeah, go grab it, support this channel. As you guys know, YouTube has kind of demonetized this entire channel. It's fine, but any support you can give me, amazing. And you can get yourself some new goodies as well. Yeah, that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Cooking videos coming soon. Canning videos, jarring videos. I've been doing a lot of canning and jarring all my vegetables. I've been learning. So I'd love to share that with you. The recipes that I personally love. And yeah, oh my God. Get ready, because next year I am so fucking excited to really make my garden bigger and just be able to like garden. Okay, 1 minute. Okay guys, have a wonderful day. Oh my God, Nala, I need to go get Nala. Okay, bye. Mwah.